What's up? This your boy Stick coming at you with another video on the Behringer RD8. This little quick video is going to be about putting your patterns together to create a song. I've got, first of all, on the RD8, whenever you're creating patterns, it has to be within a song, either 1 through 16. In this case, I'm on song 1, and I have 4 patterns already created within that song. Think of it as the song is a folder and you can put 16 patterns within that folder. So now I'm going to take 4 of those 16 patterns and string them together to make a song, which will be also song 1. Alright, so we're going to go to song, pattern, press record, and you notice the length button flashes, erase flashes, and you have a blank display here. That's letting us know that we're ready to enter our patterns to make our song. So we're going to keep it simple. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my first pattern is going to be 1. And that flashing length button indicates what pattern it is. Now, when I hit length, that's going to tell me the repetition or how many times I want pattern 1 to repeat. In this case, I'm going to put it on 2. Now, immediately after you do that, that first initial entry, turn on auto scroll. Or you could probably do it before, but definitely after the first entry. Just make sure you turn on auto scroll. Now, my next entry is going to be pattern 2. And the flashing length button tells me pattern 2. Not flashing tells me repetition. It's set at 2 now because I erased the previous song and the repetitions were still there, but we're going to set it to 1. Next pattern is going to be pattern 3. Flashing length tells me the pattern number. Not flashing tells me repetition. We're going to leave that one at 1. That's what it'll default at whenever you enter a pattern on an empty song. It's going to always come up 1 and you can change it to whatever. So the next pattern is going to be, put it there so we can see it. It's going to be 4. Non-flashing will show the repetition. This one is at 2. I can change it to 1, 4, 8, 7, whatever. We're going to leave it at 2. All right. Then the next thing after that, what you want to do is save your song. Save. Well, before we do that, I'll show you after I do that. Save, song, 1, save. Now my song is saved. Now if I want to check through my steps before I save or after I save, I could just use the arrows to go through the steps. Those are my patterns, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the repetitions each pattern will play. They're not changing because, well, they change only because I changed 1 to 2. All right. So now I can go to song 1 and play that song. There you go. Now, I did a video on auto scroll settings and chain song settings, which greatly affect how your songs perform. So do me a favor and check that video out. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and happy drumming.